When deciding how to feed your betta fish, opting for live food versus pellets can significantly impact their health, happiness, and overall wellness. Let's explore the reasons why live food is frequently the preferred choice. Live food, such as brine shrimp, bloodworms, and daphnia, provides better nutrition. These foods are high in protein, vital for your betta's bright colors, vitality, and development, in contrast to processed pellets. Live food resembles their natural diet found in the wild. Providing live food activates your betta's inherent hunting instincts. Hunting and capturing their food keeps them mentally stimulated, lowering stress and dullness, and increasing their activity and vivacity. The premium nutrients in live food enhance your betta's immune defenses, aiding them in resisting illnesses. In breeding bettas, live food plays an important role in improving reproductive health and success. Live food is more tender and organic, which simplifies digestion for bettas. When set against pellets, it lowers the chances of bloating and swim bladder problems, ensuring your betta stays in optimal health. In contrast to pellets, which may occasionally swell in a betta's stomach, live food is eaten at a normal rate. Although live food is great for bettas, it's crucial to obtain it from trustworthy sources to prevent introducing parasites or illnesses. As another option, you can cultivate your own live food for enhanced safety. To sum up, live food provides unparalleled nutritional advantages, promotes instinctive behavior, and keeps your betta vigorous and healthy. Although pellets may offer convenience, the benefits of live food for your aquatic companion are unmatched. Looking to make your betta flourish? Consider adding live food to their diet. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for additional betta care advice.